what we have done last time, we have just assigned the resources to our activities, right? Then we have then later on we have created this plan and actual. Then you remember that we have created this also. Okay, yeah. So the plan percentage, we know that it started on 9th March 24. Then plan percentage is 9.73. Anyway, now we have to start. So currently we have planned, then we have done we assigned the resources, and everything we done. Now we have to do for the next level, which is monitoring and controlling, and actual updations too. So for this, now the project is going to the construction stage. So in this case, first what we need to do, we have to create the baseline of this particular plan. That means this stage we split our data as planned and actual. So we'll go to the project. There you can see maintain baseline. You just click on this maintain baseline. When you select the maintain baseline, here you can see that you just click here add. When you click on add, it's asking save a copy of the current project as a new baseline, convert another project to a new baseline of the current project. So that second one, very rarely we use it. Normally we do save a copy of the current project as a new baseline. Then I click OK. So you can see here the new baseline is created. Correct, right? So after creating the baseline, basically what is meant by baseline? Baseline in the sense our plan. So the baseline, now onwards the baseline will be act as a plan, and whatever the actual we do, that we will be doing over here. So anyway, I done this thing. Then after this you select it, you can see the baseline name. Yeah. Then click OK, close. Then after this we go to the project again. There you can see assign baseline option. First we created maintain baseline and we created the baseline. Now I'm going to assign the baseline. Assign baseline. You can see the project baseline. I click here and I select one story villa B1, and primary baseline also I'm selecting the same thing. So that's it. We select the project and the baseline we assign. Then we click OK. Yes. Now the baseline is assigned into your project. Okay. Now what is happening over here, this is split into two. One is baseline, and basically plan, and the actual. Now we have to add few more field into this thing. Then we have to start the actual updation. So for this, what I'm going to do, like you can see here, currently this is considering to be a classic schedule layout. Yeah, that's fine. And I'm just going to add few more things here. I just right click activity columns. From the column I need to select your activity ID, activity name, original durations. Then you can see the start finish, that is already there. But before that, I will go after the original durations. I'm going to use from the date. You can see the BL, baseline project start, baseline project finish, which is plan start and plan finish. So you can see here baseline BL project finish, BL project start. BL project, no, this one, BL project start. I just double click, or you just click and add here BL project start, and you can select BL project finish. Okay, so BL project start, BL project finish. Then I need start finish. Okay, then we need two other thing, percentage complete. From the percentage complete, let's say you go to the date, you need to turn off. you can see here the percentage complete. From this percentage complete, I'm selecting schedule percentage completed and performance percentage completed. So let's say I remove this total float, I removed this thing, and the calendar also I removed. And after the finish, I'm just going to the percentage completes. Yeah, here I select from here the schedule percentage completed. Go down and you can just check schedule percentage completed, schedule percentage completed, and performance percentage completed. This one, performance percentage, performance percentage completed. That is also we added. So we added BL project start, BL project finish, start, finish, schedule percentage complete, and performance percentage completed. Okay, so in this case, what I wanted to do, let's say I just wanted to change the name. Instead of project start, project BL project start, I need to give plan start, and this one I need to give plan finish. Okay, and this is start and finish, actual start and actual finish. So I click on this and I'll go to the edit column options, and I'll give the new title plan start, plan start. Okay, then this is plan finish, plan finish. Okay, then what is the next one? This schedule percentage completed. What is meant by schedule percentage completed?
Plan percentage.
As per, yes, plan percentage. So I'll click here edit column, and we give here plan percentage, and this one performance is actual percentage. Actual percentage, plan percentage and actual percentage. Then click OK. That's it. Then I click OK. So you can see this is changed over here. Correct, right? I mean, here the column is changed with all these things. See, currently plan percentage is 0, actual is 0 because we did not started yet. And you can see here the plan start, plan finish, and you can see the start, finish, etc. Then I'm just going to save this one, because later in case I have changed again this columns for some other reasons and I just wanted to come back to this same thing, then again I have to do this way, like right click, I need to take the column and I have to take it one by one. Instead of that, what you can do, you can save this one as a layout. So you just click over here and you can see the layout. See here, new layout, and you just click here save as, and I'm just going to give the name classic schedule layout. No, I'm just going to give the name actual updation, actual updations, and I click here save. So what is this actually? Suppose I'm just changed something from here, or I'm just going back to layout, open. No, I'll just go to the, see here, currently user admin actual updation is coming. Let's say I have selected this classic schedule layout, open. See here, this is the activity ID, activity name, duration, start, finish, something is coming. So how can I go back to the previous one? To go back to the previous one, I have to click on this and I go to the layout and I click on open. No, I don't want it to make any changes. I'll go here, this is the one which I created and kept here, actual updation, then I select open. So whatever I have selected, that all will be coming. You understood, right?
Yeah.
So this is the way we can do it. Anyway, now we are going to
make a backup.
Yes.
Backup.
Yeah. So that means it's always better. You create the different layout for the plans for the plan, for the actual, for the EVM.
Based on
Yes, yes,
updation.
yes. So
As
whenever
per
it's
the
required, you can just simply select that one. Okay. Now, after this, we are just going to do the actual updations now. That means how we do the actual updations. That means, let's say the first day, which is March 9, right? We are working from 9, what time to what time? 7 o'clock to 6 o'clock. So that means you are getting update from from the site 6 o'clock. The activity is started and what percentage of activity is completed. I mean, all this information you will be getting from the site. Then accordingly you have to update it. You understood now what I'm saying?
yes.
So we are here now, site preparations. So the first day the activity is started. We are getting the update it can be anyway, like every day once the activities started, every day evening once we get the update from the site, we update it, or the next day morning you update it in that date. So like this you can do it anyway. For this you have to select your F9. So first we have to select your site preparations. Then you can just go to the where is that status? See here, the status is coming over here, and as per this thing, currently you got the update from the site preparation. After that we are doing it. So you can see here, for this one the budgeted unit is 30, correct, right? The budgeted unit is 30, actual is 0, remaining is 30, at complete is 30. That means it is not started. And I'm going to say that in March 9 March 24 the activity is started. Once the activity started, you just click on the started button. That means the activity is started. So when I do this activity started, see here the difference, like see here currently it is green color, right? Then when I click on this activity is started, you can see half is turned into blue color. When you see that way, you need to understand that activity is started. Clear? Then we are getting the update that we completed 30% of work on that day, or we say that 40% of, no, 30 is enough, 30% of works has been completed on that day. See here, when you do 30% of work is completed, it's saying that the budgeted unit was 30, now the actual unit is 9, the remaining is 21, at complete it will be 31. That means 30% of 30 is selected now, correct, huh? You understood now?
Yeah.
That means the budgeted unit we given 30, right? Then we are saying the first day the 30% of work is completed. So go to the calculate. That means basically what does it mean? The 30% of the total resources has been used. So multiplied 30%, which is 9. Clear, right? Okay. So we have given this. So the first day this activity finished. So our first day we don't have anything else, like, because the other all will be started after we finish this one only. So from the site, for the site preparation, the first day the activity started and 30% is completed. Then I'm just going to do, sorry, going to do the F.
9 days been done.
I cannot hear you. Once more.
I mean, it's already 9 days has been.
Not 9 days. It's 3 days.
3 days.
3 days. This is the labor unit. We have assigned 30 labor unit for this 3 days.
Okay, 30. Okay.
Yeah. Out of that 30, 9 labor unit now we used. Why? Because 30% we completed. Correct, right?
So 9 already done.
Yes. So that means out of that 30, let's say if it is 30 hours, we have to say the 9 hours we completed. Understood now? If it is 30 unit, 9 unit we have used actual.
Okay.
Clear now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay, so that is the labor unit basically. Okay, then we have to, after you done this, you given here it started and the duration you give 13 percentage. Yeah, that's fine. Then we will be going to the F9, and here you have to say when you started, I mean apply select. Okay, you can just click over here, apply selected data to all. It's okay. I click on this thing and you have to select. That means okay, so let me see here. I select, this is started on 9 March, so I'll just click over here and I select 9 and click select. Then the time also we have to select, maybe not 7, I'll give 7 p.m. supposed to be 7 p.m. select. Okay, so the evening, the 20 March 9th evening, I'm updating this. So apply selected data, date to all open project, then I click here schedule. Okay, it is scheduled now. Now you can just go here and you can select your planned percentage and your actual percentage. See here now, as per your plan, that particular activity, we have planned 33.33 percentage to be completed, but it's completed 30 percentage only. Correct, right?
Yes.
And the same way you can see here, yeah, okay, so you can see over here now, what is this one? Let me just check.
Start the plan.
Yeah, no, that is plan percentage, but
We completely looked at that one.
no, I'm just checking here 10 March. Yeah, so that is the actual. So you can see here, as per this one, we started on 10th March. This is as per the plan. You can just check this one, plan start and plan finish. So you can see here actual. Now you see here on here, this is the actual one which is coming over here. See here, A is coming along with this. This is means actual. Correct, right? And you can see here, total project, we supposed to finish 9.37 percentage, but we finished now 6.63 percentage. You remember when last time we have created and we were calculating the plan percentage, correct? See here now, plan percentage we calculated 9.37 has to be finished the first day of the project based on our calculation. That is the same thing is coming in plan percentage. You can see that plan percentage is correct here, 9.37, but actually how much we have completed? 6.63. That means this is our plan, this is our actual. You understood, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I given here 6.63. let's say I need to give 2 decimal places over there. Okay, fine. Then that day it's over. Then the next day also the same activity, but the next day we got the update that we have finished the 70 percentage. So I'll just type here 70. I'm not changing anything over there. I'll just type here 70 percentage I given. So you can see that when I use 70 percentage, you can see here the 30 was there, the labor unit. Out of that 30, 21 we used. That means 70 percentage of 30 is 21, and remaining only we have 9. Correct, right? Okay, then
Yes.
again you go to the F9, then you have to select the next day. Select this, then you click here next day. This is on 10th, saying 7 p.m. I select this one, then we do the schedule. Okay, once we done that, it's saying the planned percentage supposed to be 18.74, but the actual is 15.47 now, correct? So we go here
So
and check the next day. The next day it's supposed to be 18.74. that is the same thing as coming here, but as per our this thing, we have completed 18.74. so I just type 18.74, enter. I have to do here 2 decimal places. Okay, now that day also completed, and that day also finished. Then we are just going to the next day, which is what is that date? 11th, 10th, 9th, 10th we finished, then 11th March. So you go here, in this day we have completed this activity. So I'll just click over here, finished. I just click on that, finished. See here, when I do finished, it's 100%. Then we have to give here F9, then select this one, and I choose from here 11th. Yeah, then I click here schedule. Okay, see here, as per our this thing, it's 28.11%. yes, 28.11% here. Yes, and currently how much is showing over there? 22.1. I think one is wrong here. Let me just
I
check.
think you scheduled that the 2 areas there.
Yeah, somewhere it is not, because
Work.
yes, see here now, it's coming 11th March or something like that. So that's what. This is not the one
So
we
make it
used
look-
last time.
These 2 activity you should update also
Mm?
because they started along same time.
No. Actually, after this one, compound wall foundations, compound wall predecessors, what is site preparation, and this one, site
You have
preparations, and this one, previous one is site preparation. That means it started on 12th only. Then why this is changed? This is so it started on 12th, then predecessor of this one, something wrong.
because you have 9 no? Together start inside preparation.
No, what I'm saying, this is okay. This is like we have, after this one we need to start all these things: compound wall foundation, piling and column work, and garden area preparations, correct? But
Yes.
after this one we have compound wall foundations, that is correct. Then after this
Concrete and done.
okay, compound wall plastering, so this side is okay. But here piling and column works, see here now, successor is not defined. Correct, yeah.
There is a schedule.
Yes, in the schedule. But this is the same thing we used last time. Let me just open the other one. I think something went wrong here. Let's say we select this thing, then assign, which is piling and column work, roof concreting, then after the roof concreting, block work and roof concreting, block work and plastering. Okay, then after block work and plastering we need to have painting, electrical and plumbing work. That is given over here. Then what else? This one also painting, electrical, and something missed in between, I think. only those things. That's what this issue is coming. Okay, so we'll give here F9, apply, select all, then I click here schedule. So you can see 12. Yeah, this is correct now, the plan. Okay, we'll just check that. We will go to everything I have changed already here. So I have to select what was the first procedure, go to the project, and we have to select here maintain baseline, add, save the copy of the current one, then click OK, then click close. Then you have to go to the project and you do assign baseline, and I select the baseline 1 story. Okay, that I selected. Here also I selected 1 story B1, then I click OK. So it's done. Now we have to start this thing. It's starting on March 9th. So I'll be just click on the site preparations, and I'm going to the status, and we do here started, and what we given 30% we completed. So we give here 30%, then press F9, and we have to select it from here 9 March. What time? 7 p.m. 6 p.m. 7 p.m. Select, then I click here schedule. So you can see here plan percentage 6.63.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's correct now,
Okay
right?
now.
Yeah. Then the next day we have here we have completed 70%. The next day, which is then F9, then we have to choose this one, and you have to select it from here 10th, select, and click the schedule. So you can see here the plan was 14.74, but actual is little bit more now. Now that is correct. Correct, huh?
We are now, yes.
Yes, you can go here and you can see that yeah, it's correct now. So actually this is I created based on the previous one. Now this one we work with this thing, okay, because that is created for the previous one. So now this is okay. Now later what we need to do, so this is the plan percentage, and 6.67 70% now. Then finally we give over here finish. Yes, give finish, which is on F9
automatically.
Yes, F9. Then it is on 11th. So we give here 11th, then click select, schedule. See, both is correct. 22.11%, 22.11%. Clear, right?
Yes.
So now we see after this one, what are the activities going to start on 11? I mean the next it's finished on 11th and 12th. We have 3 activities are starting. What are those 3 activities? I mean you can just go here, which is compound wall foundation, piling and column work, and garden area preparations. Correct, right? Garden area preparation. So what I'm going to do now, I select their compound wall. So on 12th I got the update from the site that compound wall foundation it started and 40% is completed. Then piling and column work, that's also started, and let it be 20% is completed. Then garden area preparation is not started. Got it, right? Garden area preparation is not started. It's supposed to start on this day, but it's not started. Compound wall foundation is started. Piling and column work is started. 20%, compound wall preparation 40%, and garden area preparation is not started. So in this case, this is the current scenario. Then we are going to do the F9, and I click here and I select from here 12, then click here schedule. So you can see here now we supposed to finish by this day 27.58%, but we completed only 26.91. Why? Because you can see here this one, the first one, yes, which is the compound wall foundation. As per the plan, we have to finish only 11.11%, but it's completed 13.33%. Correct, right? And this one, what was that? This is piling and column work. Piling and column work supposed to finish 6.67%, but as per the actual, we 8% we completed. Then what else? No, 16.6, not this one. 16.67 has to be completed, but we have completed only. We have already completed 20%. Yes. Now what? Yeah, and see here this one. As per our plan, the garden area preparation has to finish 9.9%, but we did not start it. We didn't start that one. Correct, huh? So it is showing 0. So now I'll go here and see in garden area preparation, it's supposed to start on 12th May and it's finished on 16th March. Now we did not start on 6th March. So Primavera itself push that into the next day to start 13 March. See here? And it is going to finish on 17th March. You understood now what I'm saying? Yes. So that means it has to finish on, it has to start on 12th, but we didn't start. So Primavera is pushed that into the 13th March. So it is going to start on 13th March now. But later the 13th March also they did not started, then the 13 will be become over the 14. That means actual start will be changing. Plan start will be the same, how we planned. Correct, huh? Okay.
Yes.
Now I'm just going to do here. Again we will be going back and we can select here compound wall foundations. Okay. Again we have to select this thing, and I have to select it from here. Compound wall foundations. We have 40% completed. Then the next day, maybe it is going as per this thing. I give here 70% completed compound wall, and piling and column work 20%. Now because this is 6 days we have, so I'll just give over here 30% completed now. And this day also we did not start the garden area work, so we do that, then press F9. This is on 13th, so you just click on F9, then you click over here, select, and you can select here 13, then select, and you can do the schedule. So you can see here now the garden area preparation, garden area preparation, see, it's pushed into the next day, 14th. We did not start it actually. Clear, right?
Yeah, again he push it.
Yeah, it is pushing into the next day. So this is the way it works. So we have actually in our garden area we have a lot of float, like 9 days of float. So you can delay that particular activity nearly 9 days without affecting your project finish date. Correct?
Yes.
So now again, so we have done now. Then again go to the compound wall foundations, and I give you finish. Yeah, the compound. Yeah, compound wall foundations.
Yeah,
finish.
in the bar chart, madam. When we are going to make the baseline, supposedly there will be 3 colors, no? The baseline color, the black one, the progress, and this bar chart, bar chart. And the gun chart,
This
the gun
one,
chart.
Gantt chart. Yeah.
When
So
we're
this
going
is the
to
actual.
schedule,
Yeah.
okay, when we schedule the baseline, supposedly there is one black
You can
line.
customize your Gantt chart. We'll see that. Okay, how it is come.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
you can customize it.
It will
Then
show there. Okay.
yeah. So here now you can
Okay.
see this we given finished. Okay, and piling and column works now 30%. So I'll be giving over here now supposed to be 50%. Let's say 50 we given and total 50%. Then I'm just going to say that the garden area preparation is started, so I just click here and I give started. Then I'm just giving over here 30% completed. Okay. So then we have to give here F9. Then you can see here select and you give over here the 14. You understood now, right? This is the way
Yes.
it goes. So now you can check here. As per the plan 38.53%, but after the as per the actual 35.87 is the growth. But activity by activity, you see here now currently this one, which is piling and column work, 50 exactly like as per the plan, 50% and 50%. So that's it. And this one, yeah, this is the garden area preparation. By this time 27.27% has to be finished, but we have done only 10.9%. So like this you will be getting it. Then we have to keep on doing this. In this case, this time you are just taking the update from your site and you are just updating that. Clear, right? Updating into this one with that particular date and the time. So automatically it will be updated. Then it will be showing over showing here your plan percentage and your actual percentage. Clear?
Okay.
Okay. Now here you see now this is the one which is showing over here. It's in blue color. That means this is the completed activity or this one started. But what I wanted to do, let me just give over here.
This is the vertical line
Yeah.
updated.
This one, this line.
Yes.
This line is your progress line. This one, progress line. See, you can turn on and off your progress line from here.
Okay.
Then you just click here and you go to the bars. So you can see here what is this bars and which colors it will be coming. This is basically level of effort.
Because we did not click the baseline.
Sorry?
We did not check the baseline. No? That's why it does not.
Where is the baseline? Let me just. Remaining levels, actual level, primary baseline. This one.
Yes, we did not click it.
Then we can click apply. Yeah, see here. Yellow color is coming, right?
Yes.
Because it's in yellow color. And in what shape we need, we can just select it. We need the same thing. Let's say that all you can just define. See?
In the yellow is the baseline.
Baseline is there.
See, you can see also the garden that
Which one?
Delay and no, if you're going to translate the baseline of the yellow,
yeah,
in the Gantt chart, showing that the baseline in the green one, the plan is moving, no?
Yes.
Meaning we are delaying.
Yes. And see here now, here also, see this is almost, but we are delaying because that activity we have started. Not as per the plan. We cannot say that the end project is going to delay because we have the float over there.
Because
but
the project is running.
Yeah, but
yes.
Activity wise, when you take, we are delaying. Correct.
Yeah. Yes.
So that we can see it. I just even though you can change the color, in case you wanted to change, you can just click here and select it. So anyway, this is the area where we have to
Very
turned
nice,
on the
very
things.
good.
Yeah, what you want. Yeah.
Thank you, madam.
So in this case, clearly we can see that. See here now, this one, which is the garden area preparation. See here, it's this one
Yeah,
as per the baseline. It's
absolutely.
supposed to finish, yeah, but we just started only. Correct, right?
Yes, very late. There
Yeah,
is
we
a
are very late in that activity.
in this garden preparation only.
Mm.
And total overall, there is a variance of 2%.
Which percentage you are talking about? This one?
Yeah, I mean overall progress.
Uh,
See, we have like 2 point something percent variance, no? Meaning
yeah,
delay.
yes,
38 as per the plan. Actually, we have only 35 or
yes.
36.
38.53 as per the plan, and we are in 35.87. Uh,
That's
but we cannot, yeah, in
very
this case, we behind the plan now, right? We are
good.
behind the
Yes.
plan, but we cannot say our work is in, we are in dangerous conditions because we have the float over there. We can delay that 9 days without delaying
Mhm.
our final project, final uh, delivery. Correct.
Correct.
So like this, everything can be done, and you will be able to see it. See here now, when you done this thing, everything
This
is
is the
finished.
planting. Yeah, the planting must be completed. But be
Yes.
sure it will be completed on 24.
Uh,
Because
we have to,
any all
yes.
the
This has to be completed on which one? This the complete project.
no, yeah, the planting. I'm talking about the delay area.
Uh-huh.
Uh, See, the
This one.
garden
Yes.
should be completed. Yes, on
Planting
24th.
has to be
So
completed on 24th. Okay, that's
yes,
okay.
it
But
should be.
later on planting, what is the next process? It's an handover. The successor of planting is handover. That means handover is in 24th. So that means this can be the last
So
date
you
of
make
this
a
one
draft. Yes,
till 03,
you
right?
make a-
At least 02.
yes,
Yeah. Second,
yes,
March
yes.
2nd till March 3 you can work on that. So basically
Yeah, so we
it
can
won't
draft.
affect
Yeah.
the overall the project, but anyway, activity wise we are behind the schedule now. Got it?
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
that's it. So the next class we have to mainly discuss about this now we have to do few other things, like I have to complete this all, like you just try to do it. I have to complete all these things, then we have to do later EVM. Okay. Earned value management and baseline restoring, we have to do it. Then after this we have to see the activity. We have the different types of activity, like milestone activity, correct, task dependent, resource dependent, level of effort, and what is this, how,
Level
yeah, how we use
resources.
all these things in our Primavera, in our schedule. Then that's all we have to see. Then different, the completion type, um, percentage complete type, and resources name, unit percentage complete, budgeted unit, actual unit. This all we have to do it. Then the expenses. So those things we have to discuss in the next class, but this is the way we do the um, actual updation once the project once it is the construction has started. Clear, right?
Correct,
Now
correct.
when you click on the Gantt chart, you are getting the clear idea, right? What is constructed, what
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
yeah,
Also the same in the MS project. You
yes,
click on the Gantt chart.
mm,
You can edit whatever you want to
yes.
edit.
Okay.
Now it's okay.
Yeah.
Good, good.
So any other questions or anything from your side now?
No, I'm good. I'm a little bit busy. Supposedly, I should submit to you whatever we
Yeah,
discussed.
yeah, yeah.
Unfortunately,
Just
have
try to do
three.
something, then maybe if anything, any
Yeah,
issues or anything, we can discuss about that also, right?
fortunately, we have an opening three project.
Yeah.
Same like this, I'm trying to do also the this Primavera.
But normally, once you learn the Primavera is much easier than the MS project, I think, normally.
I think it's more. It's a literal program because for me, as of now, still MS Project is very fast, but very familiar. But if you want more detail,
Uh-huh.
like like this,
Mm-hmm.
it's more profound.
Yes,
You can
yes.
explain it.
Yeah.
There, sometimes if somebody asks me, what can I do? This is a program. The program say,
Yeah, that is actually, and normally Primavera is the prominent software in this planning industry.
because nowadays the government now is using the software now.
Mm-hmm.
I think they're going to remove now. I'm not saying, but remove the MS project because this is more literal and can be, a lot of presentation to be presented
Mm-hmm.
in the parties or whatever we during the meeting.
Mm. But here
So,
in here almost all the companies, they are using the Primavera only.
yes,
Very
yes, yes, yes.
rarely
But
people are
still we
using.
are using here. You
Mm-hmm.
know very well, Bahrain is backward.
Mm-hmm. Now the next level of planning also came, the visual planning. You may heard about that, right? Visual planning.
Yes,
That means like the
it's
what
another software.
yes, what you are creating in this Primavera, and the normally they make the 3D modeling, the modelers, right? These two we merge together and you can create the 4D visualizations. That means now see here, when Primavera everything will be there, but that can be read only by the technical people, right? This can be read by anyone because they are visually seeing that. One project we plan for three
Only the
years.
technical,
Yeah.
only the technical operator or planning engineer can interpret.
Yes, I'm saying the Primavera, but I'm saying that once
Yes,
it
the
is,
preliminary.
yes, once it is coming into the visual planning, you will see everything. I mean, now you will be, for example, you one project we planned for 3 years, and let's say you wanted to know that in after 1.5 year up to what level of construction has happened, and
Uh,
what is the cost assigned,
any projection,
everything.
advanced
Yes,
projection.
you can just see everything. I'll just show you an example.
You have there in your course, madam. You
Which
have.
one? The 4D planning? Yeah, we have almost everything. I'll just show you the 4D planning one. Okay. Yeah, I'll check.
You can watch.
4D planning. See, this is the 4D constructions. You will be having the same time. Let's say we say the particular date. You can see here this all the what we say, the Primavera and the 3D also. So it's more easier to connect it, right? It's called the 4D scheduling. Basically, that is the future planning. So different software people are using. More prominently, they are using the software called Synchro. Anyway,
Inshallah.
yeah,
Yeah.
you just try to do the practice of this one. Any doubt we will discuss in the class. Okay.
Okay, madam. Thank you
Okay
very
then.
much, madam.
Thank you. See you then. Bye.
See you.